Hello, Sari Stars. How are things going on in your saree world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a fabulous collection of Vairavusi Kanjivaram silk sarees. Vairavusi sarees are a much loved design in Kanjivaram silk sarees. As the name suggests, Vairam means diamond and Usi means needles. So these saris look like shimmering needles because of the zari lines that run along the length of the sari. These saris are just perfect for Deepavali and all kinds of bridal and special occasions. So let's get started with these heritage saris. Stunning is the word for this royal blue Kanjivaram silk sari. It's a Vairavusi Kanjivaram and it's absolutely breathtaking. A fabulous Vairavusi Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a lovely royal blue color. The Vairavusi zari lines run along the length of the sari and there are zari buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders of the sari have darbarpet motifs in zari and there is a lovely short green selvage which elevates the look of this sari. The magnificent pallu of the sari has motifs in zari of pakshis, yanas, mail and chakram. This is a very grand, elaborate and intricate pallu. All the saris in today's video have running blouse fabrics. You can pair them with their own blouses or with a contrast zari tissue blouse. You can accessorize these saris with diamond jewelry or traditional gold jewelry. A fabulous and festive Vairavusi Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a gorgeous shade of orange. A fabulous and festive Kanjivaram silk sari. This is a Vairavusi Kanjivaram in orange. The zari lines run along the length of the sari and there are small zari buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders of the sari are in zari and they have motifs of kuilkan, temples and paisley motifs. There is a lovely short green selvage which adds to the beauty of this gorgeous Vairavusi sari. The pallu of the sari is simply breathtaking and it has gorgeous zari motifs of pakshis, Pegasus, Annam and Chakram. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with lovely emerald jewelry. A breathtaking Kanjivaram Vairavusi sari. This one is in a stunning green. A very beautiful Vairavusi Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very lovely shade of green. The Vairavusi lines run along the length of the sari and there are zari buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders of the sari have darbar pet motifs in zari, and there is a lovely maroon selvage which makes this sari absolutely beautiful. The gorgeous pallu of the sari has elaborate and beautiful zari motifs of pakshis, gudra that is horses, annam and chakram. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a maroon blouse. You can accessorize this sari with ruby jewelry. A Vairavoosi Kanjivaram silk sari in a very soft and subtle shade. This one is a very pretty baby pink. A very delightful Vairavoosi Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very pretty pastel baby pink color. The Vairavoosi zari lines run along the length of the sari and there are small zari buttas all over the body. The borders of the sari have vanki motifs in zari and the selvage in deep pink color adds to the look of this sari. The pallu of the sari is absolutely mesmerizing. It has motifs of chariots, pakshis and vanki motifs. All these are done in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with emerald or jade jewelry. A very unique and exclusive Vairavoosi Kanjivaram silk sari by our master weaver. This one is in a fabulous, festive, auspicious shade of Arakku. A Vairavoosi Kanjivaram silk sari in a very auspicious Arakku. The zari lines run along the length of the sari and there are annam chakram buttas in zari all over the body. This sari is by our master weaver and it's absolutely perfect for special occasions. The Rettepetu zari borders have motifs of yana that is elephants and mayil that is peacocks. There is a lovely short green selvage which adds to the overall look. The pallu of the sari is very unique and it has tambalam motifs and banaras motifs all in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with diamond jewelry. Our Vairavasi Kanjivaram silk sarees are heritage weaves, and these are a must have in every Kanjivaram saree lover's wardrobe. To shop for our collection of hand woven Vairavasi Kanjivaram silk sarees, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.